Hello students, BCom semester number 2, unit number 2. After completion of unit number 1, we are focusing on the unit number 2. It contains letters and their replies. These letters are order letters. As per the standard 12th, we have familiar with the letters. So this is the proforma of an order letter. The first lot order letter is A to Z Crockery Store of Jamnagar found a suitable price list from Blue Star Crockery Agency, Junagadh. Place an order of crockery. So A to Z company is ordering to Blue Star Crockery Agency. First we are writing the name of A to Z company, its address, date, email address, and to the sales executive of Blue Star Crockery Agency, which is in Junagadh. We are making salutation that respected sir, our subject, an order of crockery items. Before giving the order letter, we have made inquiry with the same company. With the help of reply of our inquiry, we are placing an order. So we are saying that we received your price list, business terms. We are fully satisfied with your business terms. Today we are placing an order with the following goods. So we are writing the name of goods, its quality, its quantity, and after that words we are writing our terms and conditions to make the business with the same company to whom we are making the order. Remember that the time factor is very important, so we want our goods in 20 days. When we are giving the orders, it must have to send by this company within 20 days. We shall pay the bill in cross check. So we are saying that we are making only banking transaction, no cash transactions, no any online transactions. We are giving only check. We want our goods by road transport. We don't want our goods by rail transport, by air transport, by sea transport. So we want only our goods by road transport. We want our goods in special packages. Sometime for a special goods, crockery item, we want that we want to receive the goods in only thermocol packing. So we are requiring that the goods are special package, that is handled with care, that is more durable, and that is very easy to carry from one place to another. So with these things we are saying that we want our goods in special packagings. We are ready to pay extra charges for special package, that we have clarified earlier. If your goods not according to our order, we shall return the goods. That is also informed by us in earlier, the reason why there is no problem of similar goods, duplicate goods, and so. If your service and goods are suitable to us, we shall pay a large and regular order in future. So this is our familiarity and this is our hospitality to the company who is delivering goods to us. So after that words we are making the your faithfully name of company's manager. So this was the end of first letter. Now we are focusing on the another letter. DP brother want to purchase some furniture from Decor Furniture. Write a letter of order. So DP brother is writing to Decor Furniture sales executive with same as earlier. We are happy to state that we are fully satisfied with your price list. So in initiate lines you can write what you are expecting, but in just 2 or 3 lines. Here we are giving 2 trade references for getting good goods good quality. The company who is ordering is giving trade references. Why they are giving trade references? Because they want to get good services, they want to get certain number of rewards, they want to get certain number of discount, and they want to make payment after receiving the goods. The reason why they are giving references at there. First reference is MK Traders, another reference is Sai and Sons. One is from Baroda, another is from Mumbai. We hope that two references are sufficient to you for terms as under. First of all, they are asking goods at a 25% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So the total goods they would like to get in 30% discount. Price for FOR that we are familiar earlier in the BCom semester number 1. Special packing. After that, what is a special packing? Mode of transport, private truck. Time limit is 15 days. So these are the conditions, the reason why they give trade reference here. We are right to return your goods if it is not according to our order. This is as per the first letter. If you support us, we hope that we are becoming your regular customer as per the letter number 1. So as per the first letter, letter number 2 is also over. Third letter is also for the order letter. Now letter of cancellation. First we have made order, but because of some inconveniences we are cancelling our order. So these are the cancellation orders. First cancellation order is PepsiCo company is writing to Baker's Basket Food Zone. We have made earlier an order. The reason why we can write a reference at here, our subject is cancelling the order. Our first para of the letter, that we have placed 50 tins of orange juice. We regret to cancel this order and because of inconvenience to you. So regret means we are saying sorry to you for this inconvenience. In fact, now we are not in a position to pay your bill in given time. At present our financial position is not good, so we request you to cancel the order. It's our mistake, we are sorry for that. We assure you this kind of mistake will never repeat in future. We shall place our order when we need in future. Thank you. So this is the cancellation letter. Here the reason for cancellation is our financial position. We have write that our financial position is not good at right now. The reason why we are not able to make a payment at right now. So we are cancelling this order. Second cancellation order is Topmost Gift Shop to Hallmark Agency. Again we are writing the reference. Why we are writing the reference? Because we have made an order earlier and now we are cancelling the same order, so we can write a reference at here. We have placed an order for gift articles last week. Our order number that we have write in reference also. We regret, it means we are sorry. We have not get your goods or reply for your order. We have placed an order, but the company who is delivering goods to us is not replying us right now, is not replying for email. They are not advising and intimating us that when they will send our required goods. The reason why we feel that we have to cancel the order. We have send one reminder to you, but still you didn't reply of our reminder, so we want to cancel the order. We are not now interested to purchase goods from you, so we are canceling the goods order. Third letter is also at there. Now acknowledgement of order of supply of plastic chairs. One plastic company is acknowledging the plastic chairs order to its distributor of another state's one famous city. After the getting the order, we are writing the acknowledgement letter. We are thank you for your letter 25th February plastic order of supply plastic modules. When the company who is sending the goods at that time, they are writing the letter that is familiar to us as acknowledgement letter. What they are sending to us: we have executed the order and sent the above mentioned goods through the Transportation Corporation of India on carriage forward basis. The consignment note bill is rupees 15,000 are sent to you on your bankers for collection as per the instruction. When we are giving the order, at that time we have explained them certain number of terms and conditions. With these terms and conditions, they are sending the goods and they are writing letters to us, that is called acknowledgement letter. In the acknowledgement letter, they are identifying us that what they are sending to us and what are the terms and conditions of payment and what are the transportation and so on. Copy of invoice, it means they have also sent the bill of the consignment that we are receiving from the sender. Another acknowledgement letter is also at there. Kalon company is making acknowledgement to Rashmi Traders that we have received your letter of placing order of certain number of cushions, pillows, mattresses and so on. The consignment has sent through Bombay Transport. So another acknowledgement letter is at there that we have sent your goods. We have sent certain number of documents for how to make banking transactions and enclosed a bill that is in another we can say that invoice. So here come the unit number 2 is an over.